Howdy! In this video, we're going to show you how to add registration to any of your events using Dojour. As you can see, we already have some event information going here. We got a picture, a description, some tags, location, we even got a date. We're teaching people how to paint. So let's add some registration using Dojour. Just click this button, and the first thing that you see is the high level of our class. So we can put the total capacity. We're going to allow a total of 15 people to come to this class. And we're going to set the max per order to 5 so other people get a chance to sign up as well. For the button text, we can set whatever we want. So let's just say reserve your spot. The check-in type, this lets us choose whether we want people to print and scan their tickets or just check in by name. Check in by name is definitely the easiest for a small event. That's what I would suggest. And for registration, we want to close this one a day before the class actually happens, so we know exactly how many people are going to come and have time to collect the easels and get some canvases and all that kind of business. So let's add our first ticket type. We're going to call this one single admission. This is going to be the basic ticket that lets people join our class. And let's add a price. But first we need to connect our bank account, so I'll show you how to do that real quick here. I'm just going to quick save what we've done so far, and then we can just click this link. It's going to bring us over to the settings page. You can do this ahead of time so you don't have to stop in the middle. You just click connect with Stripe. Stripe is a way to just connect a bank account securely to apps on the web. So you can fill out this form, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to click sign in and quick put in my info. And we're going to skip over some business here. And then we just click connect my Stripe account, and that's going to bring you back to Dojour. You're just going to need a little refresh on this page and you'll see, okay, we're good, we're connected. So let's get back to it. We can go to the event manager and we'll find the one we're working on under drafts. Click edit to get back in there, click edit registration to get back to the tickets we were putting in, and we can add a price. So we're going to say this is paid, and it's going to cost $50 for people to learn how to paint with us. And since we're in Austin, we're going to add some sales tax of 8.25%, and we should be good to go here. So let's add another ticket type. We already added the single admission, so let's add a special ticket type called the couples admission. And what we're going to do here is give people a discount when they're buying as a couple. So we're going to set the price. It was $50 per person. Let's give them a discount. So this is going to be $90 if you're buying 2. And what we're going to do here is set admit. Usually they just add admit 1. We're going to set a 2 there. And what that's going to do is when somebody buys a couple's ticket, it's going to count as 2 of the total 15 people that are coming to the class. And that way you can have the special ticket type without having to do all that accounting on your own. And let's actually add one more. There's a second way we could do this. We're going to add the group discount. This time we are going to set the price to be, let's say, 40. And in this time we are going to set the order minimum to be 3. So this means they have to buy at least 3 to get this discount. And we have the maximum of 5, which we set at the top as a global value. All right, so now that we have all these ticket types, we can just save. And we're going to add some promo codes. So let's say we have a newsletter and we want to give them a discount for following us. We're going to call this one newsletter 20, and we're just going to set it to be 20% off the ticket price. And we could set a limit, so we can say maybe the first 10 people that use this get the discount, but let's leave that off for now. We'll give it to everybody. Now I want to show you how the auto emails work. So we can add auto emails to send at a specific time before the event or immediately when people sign up, just some custom information that we want to send the people that have actually signed up for our class at this point. So we're going to send this one at 6 a.m. the day of, just to remind people that they are joining us for some painting. Add our subject line, and we can put some text in the body. It's going to start out with hi, first name, from the information they gave us when they signed up. And we can add any sorts of formatting here and give them all the information they need to show up for our event. And the great part is, no matter how many times we put on this class, these emails are going to send out to the right people at the right time, and you don't have to think about it. So we can add this to send when people first sign up, and like we showed you right before the event, but we can also have an email send out the day after, or as many days after as you want. So let's just have this send over at noon. We're just going to ask people for some feedback about the class and what they thought we could improve, so we can make this better for the next group. And then we just click save, and we're good to go. We got these emails. Again, we can add as many of these as we want to. Last thing is the embed feature. You can just get some embed code. You just click that, copy and paste, and you can paste it into your website so the registration is available for your events. All right, so that's pretty good. Let's get back to the event, and let's add a couple more dates. Now that we have this set up, we can just add this class to every Sunday for the rest of the year, and the system is just going to take care of signing people up, sending those emails, and giving you a check-in sheet at the end of it so you can know who's coming. So we save it, we publish it, it's live, and people can see their options. They can pick the date that they want to show up and select their tickets. Then they just check out. They don't have to have a Dojour account to buy a ticket. They can just give you their name and their email, put in their credit card information, and you're going to get an email that they signed up. And then you're all set to go. You got all of these classes that people can buy from you. All of these that are set up with multiple dates. Your whole rest of your year is taken care of. Now all you have to worry about is putting on a great class or event or whatever you do. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.